Hey people, I'm back with my another video and that is totally relatable to you and very helpful for you. That is a fat loss video. It is a part 1. So in this I'm gonna do some supine or Makarasana series or some standing asana I'm gonna tell you for fat loss. Those are very basic and very easy. You can perform daily. So as you know that from last few months everybody is at home eating, sleeping and doing work from home. So everybody is getting fat on their body and they are asking for the asanas that they can perform for fat loss. I just want to tell you one very important thing, that is you cannot totally depend on yoga asanas for fat loss. Diet also plays very important role for losing weight or fat from the body. So with the yoga asanas, if you are following diet plan, this combination will work on your body and you will be satisfied and happy with the results. So please focus on your diet, what you are eating, what you are having, and plus consistency is very important. If you are starting today, be regular for 1 week and you will be consistent after that. So let's start. You have to keep in your mind that you cannot depend totally on yoga for fat loss. You have to plan your diet according to that. You have to be consistent. Daily you have to perform and be conscious about your weight. Because if you are gaining weight, that's a basic thing from getting a disease. If you are having overweight, you're surely gonna have any disease in future or in present. So please be conscious about your weight and your height, everything. So let's start the asanas. First asana I'm going to perform is Santulan asana. That you all know, Santulan asana is difficult in name, but that is a simple plank. So you have to be in a plank position at least starting from 30 seconds. That is totally fine. 30 seconds, then 45 seconds, then 60 seconds, then 2 minutes. You can increase your time limit. So first asana we are going to perform is Santulan asana. You have to come in Makar asana, that is a basic prone relaxing pose like this, and then you have to keep your forearms on the ground, entangle your hand and raise your body up. You should be in one line and you have to maintain for 30 seconds. I know this is a little bit difficult, but you can do it if you want to lose your weight. So first asana, this is Santulan asana. Set the timer and perform this asana. It's the weight loss best asana, full body. Next asana will be Chakrasana. If you stretch your body, for sure you're gonna release some fat from that part, the part that is getting stretched out. So that is, I'm telling you a simple one, that is lie down. Just go in supine position like this. Keep your hands like this and fold your legs and come like this. Maintain for 10 counts initially. Now slowly, with exhalation, keep your head on the ground, then your upper trunk and then your lower trunk. So this will be a second asana that you are going to perform for fat loss. The best asana or the best exercise that you can perform is Bhujan asana in continuous motion like this. Go in prone position. Keep your hands below your chin and do continuous motion like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax in Makarasana like this. And these were the 3 asanas that you can perform in prone or in supine position. This is for your abdomen fat. Now I'm going to tell you about side fat, that people are having tires in the sides. So for that, you can go for Trikonasana, best asana. Separate your legs like this and raise your hands up at your shoulder level, turn upwards and bend towards right side. You can perform like this. There are many variations in Trikonasana. You can perform this one for your side fat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to perform same from another side. Now turn towards your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the best asana that you can perform when you are having fat in your side portion, like you are having tires or something. You can do this asana, or you can do the exercise that is continuous in motion, legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the asanas that you can perform in supine, makar and standing series. There are some other asanas that are going to be difficult. First you have to perform these asanas initially for starting the workout of your body, and then in part 2 fat loss asana, I'm going to tell you some difficult asanas. From that you are going to lose your weight very soon. So don't totally depend on yoga. You have to be conscious about your diet also. You cannot have food all the time and think that I'm performing yoga, I'll be slim in some days. No, that is not going to happen. You have to be conscious about your diet. You have to be conscious about your consistency. That is a must if you are trying to lose your weight. I hope you like my video, and part 2 will come after this video, fat loss only. So be ready for that and start doing practicing of this. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and comment. Whatever video you want, you can DM me personally or you can comment below.